Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. We are going to start about new tutorial series of Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial. Okay, so actually recently I've completed Microsoft Word tutorial series, and they have almost 8 videos, so you can watch that. And now I'm going to start about Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial series in English, and this is first lesson. So if you think that you need to know about the tutorial series, so stay with us and I will try to cover everything about that software. So if you're new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel, and if you're also a civil engineer, then don't forget to subscribe your channel, School of Civil Engineering. So let's start. So here first of all I will just right click anywhere, and from here new, then I'll go here Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So I'll just click here, and here I'll give name School of Civil Engineering. So then click anywhere, just see here is your Microsoft PowerPoint file. So just double click here to open that. Now here is the board where we'll write where we'll design our presentation, and here is the home, and it's have several subcategory. Then they have insert, and here design, then transition and animation, after that slideshow, and then review and view. Okay, so actually that is our part, and here in our actually this is same as our Microsoft Office, so already I have discussed about that part, so I will not going to discuss about part at now. So first of all I'll go to home, and from here just you have to click new slide. Okay, just you have to click new slide, and from here you can use any of that ready-made slide. Okay, from here you can select any of its ready-made slide here given, otherwise you can select blank. So I will select here blank. So here is our page actually. So this is our blank page. Now first of all from here you can just paste what you have copy. After that actually if you see here nothing is available actually. So if we click here, nothing is available actually. So it will be available when we'll use that slide. Okay, and if we write here something, that it will be available here actually. So to how we'll write here actually, so if you just simply write here, there is no reaction or anything. So to write here, just you have to simply click here this and that box here in text box. So simply click here and come here. After that just click here and write what you want to write here actually. So just say suppose we have write here something. Now if you just click here, you will get a shape, then come here and just left click and move your mouse to move your text. Suppose if we give here, now if you want to increase or decrease its size, so actually if you if you know that how to use Microsoft Word, then you will be able to use that very easily, because that is almost same. So if you don't know about that's use, and if you want to learn about that, so you can watch that link and given in description. So simply just select that box and click here to increase its size and shape. Okay, after that from here you can also change its font from here according to requirement, just like that. And from here you can blot it, and then italic from underline, then here actually uppercase, lowercase, just simply just click here. This is if we select that, then here actually they have uppercase, lowercase, you can use that. Okay, so just uppercase. After that, here is, if I move that like that, if I move it like that, so how we can use that, just to use that actually, so just simply to click here, it will move right, here left, and here it will move from left to right. So actually you know about that uses from our Microsoft Office tutorial series. So there are in home option practice, I mean use of home option, I have shown you about everything here. So after that, it's done. Now we have created our that text here actually. So actually if you want to increase decrease, then they have another option, just its color, okay, I mean the text color. So just like that. After that, here you can give that symbol, okay, here the symbol, I mean for point. So just simply, if you again click here, just see here, if I copy that, Control Z, Control C, then come here, Control V, just see here again, Control V, like that. You can use that. Otherwise, just select full, and also you can change that. Just see here, like that way you can change it. Or there have also many options, so you can use that. Otherwise, you can come here and also you can use that. Simply you can use that. Okay, just select any of it and just simply click here, just like that. So if you want to move that in right or left, then you can simply click here, just like that. Click here and it will move actually like that. So like that actually. And also if you want to give here a space, so just simply come here and give the space here like that. Okay, so you can give a space like that. Okay, so actually it's done. Then suppose you need some flowchart. So you need some flowchart here. So how will actually use flowchart here? So just simply write your text here, then simply click on it and come here. So from here you will be able to use your flowchart. Okay, this text will be like as flowchart. So if I come here, just see here like that. Also you can change it. So from here, just see here, there is the flowchart. So actually like that you can use different types of flowcharts. So here, then here actually, so they have many types of flowchart actually available here. And also you can change color from here. Okay, so you can change color from here, just see like that. So this is the way to use your flowchart also. So again come here, home, again select that, and just come here. So from here actually you can use any types of flowchart like that. Okay, now suppose I will just move it in top. Now suppose you need to draw some line or anything, so from here you can use that shape. They have many types of shape, you are seeing that, so you can use that. So from here, suppose you need the rectangle, just simply click and move your mouse and then move that. Now just you want that the side shape will be available but middle shape will not be available. So just double click. After that, come here. After double clicking here, okay, double click. So now come here, or otherwise you can also change. You can also change from here. Okay, there's a fill shape. So if you give a no, so just see that they have no color, and also you can change that color from here. You can change its color. Okay, so like that, right? And after that, so if you give a no border, and if you want to change the color of its border, just shape outline. Okay, shape outline. So from here, what will be the color of its shape? Just see here, they have many shape, and also they have the weight, I mean its border thickness. So you can also change that. Suppose this is the border thickness, and from here you can also change its color like that. Okay, also if you need to give here the color, so also you can come here and you can give color actually. So from any kinds of any types of color you can choose from here, so like that. So okay, suppose if you need any other shape from here actually, so you can also find out that. So if we go here for a star, just see that here is your star shape, and if you double click here you will get the double options. So here is the for box category. So from here actually you can change its color from here, which types of color you need, and also from here, and also you can use shape fill like our previous. If you click no, it will be no, and also you can change color from here. After that double click, and after that suppose just come here and just select that. Okay, select your box from here and write it something. Suppose we have write that here, so just double click here, and from here you can change your that text according to requirement. Just see here what will select, it will be changed. And also if you think that your text will be if you want to change your text color, just see here, this is the red color, this is the green color, like that. Okay, so you can also change that, so in this way. Okay, and now they have another important thing. Suppose I have moved that here. Okay, I have moved it here. Now I want that my rectangle will be top and it will be in bottom. Okay, so I will use that. Just simply select that and double click. Okay, after here they have bring forward, okay, send backward. So I'll just click here. Now see here, it's come forward, and again double click here and bring forward, like that. Or click here, send backward. So like that you can change your that shape. So according to requirement, it's very important. Now if I show you something about that, suppose they have some curve, so you need to draw a curved line. Just simply click here like that, simply click here. If you click here, just see here, this is your curved line. In this way you can draw actually your curved line. And if I show you something that I have made that, I have made in that actually I've created that by using Microsoft PowerPoint. So you are seeing that background, I've created that for my YouTube channel. So here actually it's done, and there are many shapes actually you can use for your slide purpose. Okay, so it's done. And suppose you have completed your work here. Now how will open your new project? So just simply again click here and come here blank, or you can use any of it. Okay, so just blank and it's here. Now here's the arrangement, replace, find. You know that how to use that. In my previous lecture I have already discussed about that in the tutorials of Microsoft Word. So I have discussed that, and this is the basic phenomenon. That's why I'm not going to show that now. Here actually now you can use that like that way. So again you can work here like that way. So actually in this lecture I have almost done, and in my next lecture I will just show you that how we'll use the insert option, then design option, transition option, then animation, like that. I will show you about that day by day. So if you think that that is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also like our video, share our video, and leave a comment. Your own comment inspires for the next work. So thank you very much. Stay well, stay connected till next video.